Welcome, I'm from NOKIA 2.3 and today I'll show you how to put the device into Fastboot mode. Now to get started, you need to hold the power key, and once you see the boot options, select power off. When the device shuts off, all you need to do is hold power key and volume down together. So let's do that right now. And there we go, we're now in Fastboot mode, which is visible right at the bottom of the screen. So that is how you would put the device into Fastboot mode. And once you want to leave it, you'll have to hold the power key till the screen turns off, so you will see that once the Fastboot mode disappears from the display. It's about 10 seconds or so, there we go. As you can see now it's completely gone. And let's hold it again to turn on the device. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.